You ain't trying to pay that Chanel money. Baby, get you a bag. Get you a bag.
So that's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. Anyway, if you guys are interested in this unit, I'm 100% sure I already reviewed this before you guys are actually watching this video. So I will leave the link to this unit in case you guys are wondering. To start off this collective haul, I'm gonna go ahead with Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off with two perfume scents that I picked up from Amazon. Now I was a little skeptical because I don't know if they legit or not. I'm quite sure, you know, but I don't know. So anyway, y'all, this first one caught my eye. Now, where have I been? I was not aware that Victoria's Secret had EDPs. I'm like, where have I been? So this is the Victoria's Secret's Bombshell perfume. This is what she's giving. As you guys can see, this bottle is super cute. Got the little ribbon. Now this is time for the smell. Do I have a piece of paper? So I know it's gonna smell different on a piece of paper versus like spraying on my wrist and out the bottle. Okay. Y'all, okay, you can really smell it. You can really smell it when it's on the paper. This is giving. This is like a fruity scent. But y'all, when I tell y'all, if you have not tried this, you need to get this because it smells freaking amazing. So the second one I picked up, this is Michael Kors Wanderlust. This is an EDP as well. And this is the little packaging. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's super pretty. I love the gold. This is definitely taking out the package, giving me like, okay, I need this for business. I need this for a meeting. It's giving me grown woman vibes from the packaging. In the bottle, it's definitely giving classy, baby. A rich woman, you know? This is definitely an older and sophisticated scent. Yeah, it's definitely an older scent, something I'll probably wear to church or to a meeting. But I do love this smell, but I feel like it's a mature scent. So those are the two scents that I picked out from Amazon. I picked up these glasses. I don't know, y'all. I always read the reviews, and the people who wore them, they were cute in them. And I was like, every time somebody else is cute in them, but I go get it, I be looking raggedy. It's like, I'm just kidding. No, but for real, I don't know. But I feel like the frames are freaking cute. Yeah, I feel like these are sophisticated though. So it's something like, you would have to be like dressy. These are not, in my personal opinion, I couldn't see me wearing these with t-shirt and jeans. No, baby. Yeah, definitely sophisticated. Glasses, something you would wear to work. So yeah, those are cute. Comes with a little pack. So yeah, I've been raving about this cup. Now this is just a regular, I guess you could say, tumbler cup. This is like a matte black. I love matte black. Black is my favorite color. Y'all, this really keeps your drinks cold. If you put something hot in here, it's gonna keep it hot. If you put something cold in here, it's gonna keep it cold. And I've been using this all summer long. I think it was only like $20-something, but y'all probably say that's a lot for a cup. No, it's not a lot for a cup when it keeps your stuff really cold. Every night before I go to bed, I always pour a cold bottle of water in there. And when I wake up to get my water in the middle of the night or the next day, baby, why is it still cold? I swear by this cup. If you don't have this cup, I don't know what to tell you. So I have a 2015 iMac computer desktop, and I have the mouse too, but the mouse does not work on my glass table. So I always had to rig up stuff and get like magazines or something to make my mouse work. So I actually invested in the Magic trackpad, and baby, this changed my life. Now it was a little coin. But baby, if you don't have one and you tired of using the mouse and you own Mac products, definitely worth the investment. If you have the MacBook, the little mouse pad that you use on there is exactly the same. It's just portable. I thought it wasn't gonna work with my computer, but it does, because I wanted to try this. I think it's called Neocell Keratin hair volumizer, and because I know my hair thin, okay, my hair is a little bit on the thin side, so definitely got that. I haven't tried this one before, so I'll let you guys know what it actually does to my hair. And I also got this big bottle of collagen. My sister actually put me onto this specific brand because I deal with hyperpigmentation, and baby, when I tell you this is working, it has vitamin C and biotin in it as well. So if you're trying to grow your hair, biotin is definitely good for your hair. So, but anything with vitamin C in there and something that, you know, will thicken up my hair, I am here for. Now, I did go ahead and get, y'all probably said, what? Just throw the whole thing off. Y'all, I've been cutting onions and tomatoes and all of that stuff with my hands for years, and I'm like, I'm sick of it. So I wanted to try this. It says, I think it's electric, and you just put the stuff in there and it grinds it up. But I'm really excited to try it. Okay, I'm really excited to try it. It's gonna make my life. So this next purchase was definitely inspired from 𝚑𝚑𝚜𝚗𝚘𝚘. Your girl is always on TikTok scrolling up and down all over the place, and I do that. I seen the girlies over on TikTok with the pink stuff, and I'm like, y'all rave about it. Y'all say it do so good. So I wanted to try it, and I've used this and I've used this. I use this on my stove. If you don't wipe that properly, it leaves like this a film on it. I cleaned my oven door with it. I cleaned the stove. I cleaned a lot of stuff with this stuff, and it actually works. It's just a film that it leaves behind if you just go in with this product alone. I haven't tried this on my countertops though, so I may have to try this, because I did try the Miracle Cream Cleaner on my countertops, and some of them stains is old as dirt, okay? Some of them came up and some of them didn't. I noticed with the cleaner that it definitely leaves like a shine. Like you can tell that the area's been clean. Like it just leaves like this pretty sparkling shine. It does say that on there. It leaves like a leave shiny clean results. That's not no lie. They did not lie, sis. They didn't lie. But this is the Snow Teeth Whitening Kit. I've always wanted to whiten my teeth. I know on camera, of course, they can look white, but in person, they need a little help, okay? I had braces a few years ago, and sis, it's time to whiten these teeth again, okay? So I definitely wanted to try something at home. I've seen these. This particular product raved all over Instagram, and people say it works. So I'm like, I'm gonna put it to the test. So I will keep you guys updated on how my teeth. So we got some cloths, okay? Some face cloths. It's always good to have, and I felt like this was a good price for the amount you get. It has different colors in here. I'm gonna go ahead and wash them before I actually use them. I went ahead and purchased some shirts from Amazon. They are tanks. I got 3 different colors, but I am gonna put them on and show you guys so you guys can see how they fit and how they look. This probably too big. I don't know why in the world I got a large. I should have got a medium, so I may have this in the back, or I just wear them for night shirts. But I just love these type of shirts like this. I love the racer backs, but this is the material. It feels very good. Like I said, it doesn't feel cheap at all. This is color actually darker. I'm looking at my actual mirror, and it's darker than what it's looking like on camera. But I feel like I could fit it. It does have stretch to it as well. So I actually, stuff like this, I don't even know why I got large, because like rib material or material that's like ribbed, I wear medium. So hopefully I don't look cray in it. You already know what it is. We got Lord Vase in the building, period, okay? So if you guys don't know who 𝚑𝚑𝚗 is, you are living on a rock. 𝚑𝚑𝚗 Taylor, she came out with a sunglass line not too long ago, and baby, I got them, okay? I got 2 pairs. This one is Main Event, and y'all, when I seen these, I was like, baby, I gotta have these. She was rocking these on there. She sold me on these, okay? She really definitely did her thing with these, y'all. And these definitely feel very good. They don't feel lightweight. They definitely do not feel cheap. They got some weight to them, and the details on the side is every freaking thing, okay? So when you see me out in the street, just know it's me. But I'm obsessed with these glasses. These are my favorite. If you haven't got yourself a pair, you need a pair, because these are litty. These are litty, okay? Because it comes with a little case. You can put them in, and I just kept the box because I love the box. And it also comes with a wipe. You can wipe your glasses off. So the second pair I got is called New Era, okay? And these are cute. They are nude. These just stood out to me. I love the design, like the shape, design of these glasses. Baby, nobody can tell me nothing of these, okay? Like, I feel like, I don't know, they just give a whole different vibe. And like I said, you really can't see how they come together because I'm just wearing anything with it. But when you really have your fit on, everything comes together. Like, these are definitely unique, different. I've never had a pair of shades that look like this in my entire life. But they hit. They cute. They are so cute. And like I said, the feel, the quality, she nailed it. She nailed it. Like, she doing the dang thing. Like, literally, I forgot my JBW watch. Like, bruh, I forgot it. So, of course, I'm just throwing in this clip. I was like, I'm going to have to put it in here some way, shape, You guys get the drift. But y'all, I got this because everyone was raving about the dang on watch. I'm like, it's not sponsored or anything. So I said, let me go ahead and get it since the girlies said it is A1. And let me tell you guys something about this watch. It is A1, okay? They are not lying. They are not capping at all. I will insert up close footage of the unboxing, all that stuff, because you guys can't really see it. But y'all, this watch, this is my girl. She is one that I go to when I need to spice up my outfit. And when I like how the diamond sparkle in the lot is just every freaking thing. Now, I didn't take any links or anything out, so I think it fits perfectly. Yeah, it's got a little hang time, but I didn't want to take any of the links out. It's got a little hang time. Like, but I think it's cool though, you know. I mean, of course, people have it snug to their arm. This slides around just a tad bit, so I probably could get one of the links removed, but I think it would be super tight if I did that, so I might just leave it with the little thing here. But this watch is everything, and like I said, it spruces up your jewelry. I mean, it spruces up any outfit that you're wearing. I'm telling you what it is, y'all. This watch is it. They didn't lie. And this bling bling here, when it hits the sun, when it hits any type of lighting, baby, just expect people to stop you and ask you where you get your watch from, okay? And I have been wearing it in some of my videos here and there. Somebody asked me about it and they thought it was sponsored, but it ain't sponsored. But I don't care because I bought it on my own and I don't regret it at all. So y'all, this watch is lit. It's gorgeous. It's very feminine. It's very sexy. I'm telling y'all, I'm hyped. Okay, let me get off. Okay. So yeah, we're down to the last two items. So this next brand is from LTL London. Again, me being on Instagram, I need to stop that because I just buy what I see and it looks so luxurious. Look at the bag, y'all. She's all tied up nice and neatly. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take her out. And I'll be keeping the bags and stuff because it's just like bomb. Okay, so within the bag, it comes another bag. It's like a drawstring bag. And then your bag is nice and neatly tucked away inside. And this is the nude one. I forgot what this is called. Does it say on here? No. It doesn't say at all, but it's cute. When I have it down, y'all can see it more. I'm going to show you guys the black one because I did get two. But it's just like, this strap here is giving me Chanel, okay? It's giving Chanel vibes. But it's just a cute, basic purse. I feel like definitely if you need something to run your errands in or go to like a event or a date or anything, you need something extravagant, but you ain't trying to pay that Chanel money, baby, get you a bag. Get you a bag. That's why I said this cute. I'm ready to go out in the street already, but I just need an outfit. Like, stuff comes together when you have an outfit. If you don't have no outfit, I don't know what to tell you. Oh man, I pulled it up so it might not go back down. Oh yeah, there it goes. So like I said, you can wear it one way, long, but if you don't, you can put it on your shoulder and pull it up, or you can put it on your hand. And I got the same exact bag, just in a different color. And this is what she's giving. Like, I love this black one. I wore this in my video, one of my videos, but I didn't show the whole thing because I've actually been wearing this one out. And I love the little designs and the pockets and the density of this bag. Like, this is super cute. And like I said, this is for, you can dress this bag up or you can dress it down. If you into bags and you ain't into spending that Chanel money, why not? Why freaking not? We're gonna do the last bag and I'm getting out y'all hair, okay? Anyway, this last purchase I got is another bag. I forgot the complete name. LATC? I don't know. Does it say on the tag? Yeah, LATC. This is the company I bought this bag from. Thought it was super cute. Definitely bought it back in January. I thought I was going to have a fit prepared for the winter before winter ended before I wore this. But I didn't. I didn't get to wear it. But I can wear it with anything, to be honest. But I had an all black fit in mind with my Loewe's, the black glasses. I had a whole fit in mind. Next thing you know, it's marked and it's hot. And I'm like, I can't even wear it now. I can't even execute it now because it's too mother freaking hot. Like, y'all, it's just this bag is big, okay? Sometimes when I need to work, I haven't worn it yet, but I know I can put like my laptop and stuff in there. Especially, look how big this is, y'all. Look how far down that goes. A big bag, and you got a pocket here. It's just a cute bag. I love big bags. I don't know why I'm obsessed with big bags, but I love big bags because I feel like you can stick a lot of stuff in there. So that is pretty. So that. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the little items and little knickknacks that I picked up thus far. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And until my next one, you're going to see you later. Bye, guys.